Hello, my name is Yatish Nerur, and today I'll be talking to you about the AIESEC way. So the AIESEC way can best be understood through this idea of the golden circle model. And so it's the why, how, what of AIESEC. So why do we do what we do? How do we do it? And what is it we're actually doing or offering? So the first question is the why. Why is AIESEC here? So it started after a group of young individuals after World War II wanted to prevent similar conflicts, and they believe this can be achieved through cross-cultural understanding. So a group of young people started AIESEC with a mission statement for peace and fulfillment of humankind's potential. So peace relates not only to peace in the sense of violence or like acts of war, but also peace within ourselves, peace in our hearts, and peace in our minds. So even if AIESEC fulfills peace, our job is not over. In fact, it's only just begun. So our impact and relevance is still as important as ever, even after accomplishing peace. The fulfillment of humankind's potential is equally important and won't be achieved solely through this accomplishment of peace. There are multiple layers to achieving humankind's potential, and AIESEC is constantly evolving to make this a possibility. And so AIESEC achieves and strives for peace and fulfillment of humankind's potential by placing confidence squarely in the hands of youth, because our belief as AIESEC is that youth are the key to a better future, and that leadership is the fundamental solution that can be developed in anyone, regardless of ability. So AIESEC develops leaders through experiential learning opportunities. This is tackled through AIESEC's LDM, which consists of 4 qualities: self-awareness, empowering others, solution-oriented, and world citizen. So I like to think of the first 3 as characteristics of a world citizen. So being self-aware means understanding yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, what you can do in society, and how to put your best foot forward, per se, to achieve the goals and the role in society that you can best contribute to. And so that is very important because empowering others ties into that. So empowering others is this idea that you were once empowered, or you are currently being empowered as a leader and as a person. And so you're giving the same opportunity and the same quality of experience to others by empowering them. And so empowering others is being able to see the value of others and empowering them to make a change and make a real difference. And so being solution-oriented also ties into both of these, where being solution-oriented is not necessarily finding the greatest solution to a problem, but instead tackling problems with with resilience, and in the face of struggles, persevering and showing determination to succeed. And so being solution-oriented, empowering others, and being self-aware are qualities of being a world citizen, which is somebody that understands the world and sort of how to shape it and how to best impact it. And so AIESEC provides leadership and accomplishes this through practical experiences in challenging environments. The way that you learn is by doing, so experiential learning, and taking ownership over these experiences. The best analogy is to learn how to swim. When you first begin, you aren't expected to have a single idea of how it works, but over time, you learn through these experiences and by doing it. AIESEC is the support system and the mentor network that pushes you to learn and take on opportunities, and gives people the freedom to fail and try again, learn something from the experience, and move on, continue to grow. Succeeding like never before is inevitable if the persistence and determination to learn from these experiences is kept in mind, and failure is a learning point and not a discouraging point. AIESEC does cross-cultural exchanges, and the tools necessary to facilitate these experiences and create the possibility for people to understand each other, and these similarities they'll see firsthand. People can begin to look past differences and unite and create a stronger community through our similarities. So the 6 values that I'll leave you with are the AIESEC values that are put into everything we do. So the first is striving for excellence. So quality in everything we do. And what this means is we basically are looking to put our best foot forward and also create a quality experience for everything we do. So the second thing is demonstrating integrity and showing consistent and transparent methods, and we stick true to our vision as AIESEC. So the third is activating leadership, which is leading by example and empowering others to lead. So the fourth is acting sustainably, which is longevity and sustainability for the future. The fifth is enjoying participation, so welcoming environments to promote inclusivity and participation by all. And the final thing is living diversity, so learning from the many ways of life and respecting and encouraging this diversity. This is the way I look at the AIESEC way, and I hope that these values can be instilled in you. Thank you so much for listening.